Today I'm going to draw Deepika Padukone using a few graphite pencils and a charcoal pencil. So wait for the output. It is going to give us excellent results because I have already tried this technique before and it worked out fine for me. And as I draw, I'm going to explain to you the procedure which I generally use to create portrait. So shall we get into the video? If you find this video informative, please like this video which will motivate me to make more such videos. Step 1. As the first step, what I do is I just do a rough shape of the face and then correct the shape in the forehead, side of the face and the jaw part and everywhere, just wherever required. Just correct it as much as possible and compare it with the shape of the face in the reference photo. As step 2, I place the sockets for all the features inside the face. And then as step 3, I place the features inside the face and check if the features fall in the correct line. Say for example, I check if the right and the left eye fall in the straight line and the nose and lips fall in the same line. All of these I know because I know the basics of portrait and have been practicing portraits for a long time now. Step 4. Once after you create a skeleton, it should look like the subject of your interest, the character you are studying right now. If it does not resemble your character, correct it until you get the resemblance. Step 5. And then move on to making it realistic by applying higher values. The key is anywhere during the process you may lose the character. So just ensure you don't lose the shape of the features or the face or an expression or the resemblance. Step 6. This part is called perfection, which will take a minimum of 1 to 3 hours for me depending on the complication of the portrait, the expression, the angle of the portrait and number of faces in the frame. So this is the part where I'll work on the light, the presence of light and the absence of light zone, the reflected light, highlight and the midtone. So that's it. This portrait took me about 6 hours to complete. This is how I create portraits using freehand technique. Follow me for more such videos.